These shoes are about to sell out again. Tabiflat.
The ones all the it girls are wearing. Comes in black and chocolate brown. They've got this cute split toe detail, a comfy block heel so your feet don't die, and the leather is so
Soft.
Stop scrolling. These might be the cleanest everyday sneakers you'll see today. Lightweight,
Knit uppers? Check.
classic low-top style? Absolutely. And that all-white look goes with literally everything in your closet. Whether you're running errands, heading to class, or just keeping it
Casual, these kicks deliver
comfort without sacrificing style. Simple, fresh, and effortlessly versatile.
POV.
You found the prettiest summer shoes that actually won't kill your feet. These are vintage T-strap Mary Janes, but make it 2026. Look at this woven hollow-out detail.
So breathable for summer, and they're giving clean girl aesthetic instantly.
陪我看遍夏天的风景。